Yo, yo, yo. How we doing, everybody? For everybody who's here already. Let me make sure the music's working and everything's good on my end. It looks like music's working. Okay, everything is good. What's up, Harrison? What's up, Charles? Charles, Top Step liquidated all my accounts and stole my money because Top Step X would not accept limit orders and stop losses for about 5 hours. Oh, I guess he deleted the comment. All right. I mean, what's up, guys? What's up, Hilarious? How are you? Drac, James, Miss Rain. Miss Rain, you're at your son's football game today. Once again, we're doing 2 live streams, one in vertical format on the shorts feed and one in horizontal format. For those of you in vertical format, just click on the other stream if you'd like to join the main chat. You'll get the full view of the screen and everything. What's up, Antoine? How are you? How's everybody doing? Design out bold. Does the market have any? Yeah, today was kind of wild, wasn't it? I mean, it looked heavy as could be. I thought for sure we were heading down for that daily 20 at around 24,150, and then it just did a U-turn, a complete V-bottom. It was a frustrating day. P&L wise, it was fine for me. You know, I think I made like 2.5K today trading. But it was really all on 2 trades. The rest, I had a ton of break evens. I felt like I over traded for sure. I was angry. You think the real move is tonight, steady gains? Maybe. I'm hoping, right? I seem to have the go live stream curse. Every time I'm on stream, steady gains. I know you're newer to the channel, but every time I'm live, for some reason the market just goes sideways. And then I'll get off stream and then the market will start moving again. Yeah, Design Knob on the 50K core, you definitely have to. I think it's 1 to 5 in the funded stage. I think it's 1 to 10 in the eval. But I think that goes up as your account balance goes up. I'm 100% certain how that works. Yeah, steady gains. For some reason, whenever I go live on stream, the market just decides, hey, you know what? We're going to stay here for 4 hours. Right here. We're going to chop around. But welcome, everybody. Tonight, we are doing a 50K TakeProfitTrader account giveaway. Do me a favor. Somebody type !Wes in the chat. That should give you a ticket. Let me make sure the giveaway is working. I don't know why Nightbot is not in the stream yet, because that's how it works. All right, Bodine, let me check. Let me see if your name pops up there. All right, we're good. Entries are going in. It's 1 entry per person tonight. So you don't have to spam the chat with !Wes. It will only be 1 entry per person. We will pull over the giveaway, the random selector at the end of the stream to select the winner of that 50K TakeProfitTrader account. So yes, it looks like everything is working. All right, everybody's getting in. !Wes, !Wes. All right, we're good. All right, I don't have to look at that anymore. All right, but welcome everybody. I hope you traded well today. Like I said, it was a little annoying for me. I felt like I took 20 trades today, guys. I mean, you can ask Mock in the chat. I was on a call with him and I was raging at one point in time. I was legitimately raging at one point in time. He told me, he's like, brother, you need to step away. You need to just walk away. Yo, what's up, Kyle? What's up, Savvy? What's up, everybody? We also, let me preface this and say we are going to be doing another giveaway sometime next week. It is going to be for channel memberships. So the channel members, the people who have purchased memberships to my channel, it's going to be a giveaway for them. So if you'd like to be in that giveaway as well, you will have to become a channel member, but I want to reward those people who support my channel on that level. So the next giveaway that we're going to do Not tonight, but the next one is going to be for channel members only. It's going to be a members only giveaway. But thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. I'm expecting probably quite a few new viewers in here. Hopefully you find some value in my channel. Hopefully you enjoy the stream. Hopefully you enjoy the community. We got a nice community here. Lots of good traders. I mean, way better traders than me. If you're new to my channel and just tuning in for the first time, my name is Wes. I'm a full-time futures trader. I live stream every Sunday through Thursday starting at 7:45 p.m. Eastern. Welcome, guys. I hope you stick around. I hope you want to be a part of the community. Also, we do have a free trading Discord. It's called Level Up. Link in the description down below the video. Or you can type !Discord in the chat to get the link to sign up for that free trading community. Lots of good traders in there as well. I'm not one of these people who sells courses or mentorships. I'm no guru. I'm an average trader. I'm a profitable trader, right? Like, this is how I make my living, but I'm not one of these multi-millionaire traders. I don't make millions of dollars trading. I make enough to live and live comfortably. All right, so let me get a P&L up there on the stream for you guys. Let's see here. Wait, Notebook Futures, what? I was Mr. T's fitness trainer for 15 years and Chuck Norris's hairdresser. Wow. Wow. Throwing it way back. So when's the mansion tour? No, don't have a mention. I live pretty modestly. No mansions over here. All right. Properties. Account info. Done. All right. We are good. All right. As you can see, I haven't taken any trades during the Asia session just yet. Well, the globex session. Asia session's about to open up here in a couple minutes, so we'll see what happens. I don't want to execute in here. It's been pretty choppy around this 625 area. So I'm going to wait on the Nasdaq to make a move before I do much of anything. We do have central pivot sitting at 615. We've got an area of support sitting below at 570 to 590 is where I have it now. To the top side, we've got an area up there at 680 to 700. But welcome, guys. We won't be doing the giveaway until the end of the stream. You will need to be present for that giveaway because you will have to type something in the chat in order to claim the prize. So make sure that you make sure that you're here towards the end of the stream. We'll probably do it sometime around, I don't know, 10 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. somewhere in there. So 2 hours from now. What's up, Hyder? How are ya? How's everybody doing? How'd everybody trade today? Let me know. Let me go back through the chat here and get caught up. Yeah, Extraordinary Cape Trader. It's going to be a random draw. So, like, here's what happens, right? Nightbot's actually running the giveaway. So what's going to happen is I'll come over here and I'll have Nightbot select the winner. So you can see right now there's 32 entries. Everything will be transparent. Like, you'll know exactly. But whoever does win is going to have to type in the chat. So, just make sure you're here. It's okay, you can claim for them. Yeah, I know. And for those of you that are just tuning in and are here for the giveaway, it is !Wes in the chat. We'll give you a ticket to that giveaway that we'll do at the end of the stream. Miss Rain, I see you. I haven't forgot you. Come over to you guys that are in the vertical stream. I'm not sure if it works or not, so make sure you're on the full stream, the horizontal, the one that doesn't say mobile in the chat or in the title of the video, and type !Wes in that chat. What's up, Grumpy Grandpa? How you been? Yeah, it has been a little while. I just don't like any of this. I mean, look at all these downside wicks on the 5-minute where we're at right now. I'm hoping that the move is down. We do have FOMC highs sitting right at like 540, 550, somewhere in here. I'd like to see a revisit of that area. But we do have interest higher on the DOM. Not that we have to go up there to grab it, but... Gold suckered in more shorts and now they're being probed. Oh no. You're in now, steady gains? I mean, I like some downside. I don't mind the downside. I'm going to need a pop, though, in order to get in. I'd like to see it hold below 25 on any move up here. And then I'm not opposed to taking the short down into like 590. Five mini steady gains? Ooh, that's I don't know if I'm throwing on 5 minis. If you've got 5 minis on, that's great. So how we doing tonight, guys? It looks like we got 100 people in the main stream. I'm not sure how many are on the vertical stream or the shorts feed. It's 5 minis. You're not going large yet? 5 minis seems like pretty good size to me. I don't know. That's more cojones than I got. I'll say that. What's up, Srini? How are ya? Indian Bird, we're doing a 50K TakeProfitTrader account giveaway tonight. Exclamation point West in the chat. So for those of you that are just tuning in, yes, we are doing an account giveaway this evening. We won't do the giveaway until the end of the stream. It'll probably be around 10 p.m. Eastern Standard, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard. But exclamation point West will enter you into the drawing for the giveaway. It will be random. You guys will see it. Hey, what's up, Z? How are ya? Hey, thanks for the sub, Jeff. I appreciate you. Those of you that are just tuning in. We are doing that account giveaway. So type exclamation point West in the chat. That will enter you into... What's up, Red? How you doing, brother? You just subbed too? Seriously, Red? Wait, what? You weren't subbed to me? Come on, brother. You're slacking. Oh, last night, by the way, when I popped into your stream, Red... for those of you that don't know, Red Candle's in the chat there. He has a YouTube channel as well. Really cool dude. Streams nighttime too. So feel free to give him a sub. Go check out his stream. He normally goes live. Red, what time? Like 9 p.m. Eastern, I think. Oh, you've been a member before? All right. But last night, what happened was, Red, I tuned into your stream, and the first thing I saw was one of the WesleyEmeraldGate Discord bots. When you were accepting somebody's friend request, I saw a WesleyEmeraldGate Discord bot that had tried to friend request you that was sitting in your friend request. And that's what I was saying, the Copycat West. You don't accept the Copycat West friend request? And then you went on X and tried to follow me on X, which I don't post on X, guys, by the way. What's up, Kevin? How are ya? Varsh, we're not doing the giveaway until the end of the stream. So it won't be for a couple hours. Yeah, if you're in the shorts, the mobile format, and you want to see the full screen, we do have a horizontal stream going as well. Feel free. It's just the other title that's dated today. That doesn't have mobile in the title. Just click on that video and you'll be able to see the horizontal format. Jeff, what platform am I using? I use Quantower trading platform. What's up, Dotan? It's been a little while. Yeah, Jeff, I seem to... A lot of people say that. A lot of people say my setup looks extremely clean. I'll do a Quantower full setup tutorial. I'll put out a video for it so that if you guys want to download Quantower and want to use my trading platform, feel free. And then you can set your screen up exactly how I do. I'll show the CSS and everything so that if you like the color schemes, you can just download my CSS file and your charts will be looking exactly like mine. What's up, Nahal? How are ya? I mean, it looks like we could get a little bit heavy here. Invisible candlesticks design up. I mean, there's people who trade strictly from the DOM. Oh, that's true, Dotan. Yeah. Red candles. You want a pullback. You want to be able to sink more money in. You want the pullback. Yeah, guys, if you could, smash that thumbs up button for me for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out. Obviously, chat engagement really helps out. What's up, Wix? How are we? Oh, you use TPO design up? Yeah, some of the best traders that I know are either strictly DOM traders or TPO charts. I can't read a TPO chart. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to say that I can when I definitely cannot. You're driving, Wix? Oh, be careful out there. Be careful out there. Yeah, guys, if you're just tuning in, like I said, welcome to the channel. We are doing a 50K TakeProfitTrader account giveaway tonight. Exclamation point West in the chat will give you a ticket to that giveaway, which will do randomly at the end of the stream. Probably around 10 p.m., 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard. So make sure you're here. You will have to be here in order to claim the prize. You will have 60 seconds from the time of the drawing if you are the winner. After 60 seconds, we will redraw another winner if you're not here. So, I will just say that. We have had one giveaway where someone wasn't there and we've had to redraw winners. A discount code for TradingView, Harrison? I'm not sure. Chat, anybody in the chat have a discount code for TradingView? Z, I'm kind of hoping so. So what I'm looking at higher time frame wise is I'd like to see a revisit of this daily 20 SMA, which is now almost sitting at 24,200, or at least the top side. I'm looking at this peak right here. This is where I'd like to see the pullback at least into. And honestly, I'd prefer the flush out back to the daily 100 if you're asking me. I mean, come on back to 23K, 22.8. I mean, we have these gaps on the daily that I don't know that we're ever even going to visit again, to tell you the truth. Oh, chat, you're saying they should. Miss Rain. No, Miss Rain, if you're on the mobile format. Wait, is the mobile format live right now? Ms. Rain, if you can hear me, there's two streams going on right now. There's one on the vertical stream, the mobile format, and then there's one horizontal. So there should be two live streams right now. Just go click on the other one and you can see where everybody's in the chat. There's a lot more people on the horizontal live stream right now than are on the mobile. Market only goes up. I mean, I hope we go down. I hope we go down. I would like to load up the portfolio at some point again. All right, 120 people in here. Guys, if you're just tuning in, !West in the chat will enter you into the drawing for that 50K Take Profit Trader account giveaway that we'll do at the end of the stream. All right, let's see what happens if we get the push back up to VWAP. See if we're, man, what a pump. 20 points off those lows off 610. We could be setting up for a fairly choppy Asia session here. I mean, look at what price has done in this area. Might be a night where I sit on my hands and don't trade. Shameless. Up, shameless. Wouldn't it be crazy if we just ripped out new all-time highs tomorrow? I can only imagine. I can only imagine the carnage that would cause. Absolute carnage. You know it's coming. I mean, could you imagine above 25K? 7K SPY. I know. It's crazy. It's crazy what's happening right now. Like, who is buying up here? Who is buying anything up here? I saw Nvidia was up around, like, I don't know, 184, 185 at one point. I'm like, man. When they did the 10-to-1 stock split, wasn't it at, like, didn't the split come in at like $120 a share or something like that? Counter trend stop loss hunters. I mean, for sure. For sure. Hey, what's good, Knox? How are ya? Set against your green on the day so far. That's nice. Stay that way. If you're green on the session already, do not let it go red. Zero reason to let a green day go red. You had a very nice day, Knox. Nice. Is seems like people either got extremely wrecked today or they traded extremely well. 28K on Tesla. Wow. Knox, that's a massive day. Oh, happy kids. Yeah, sub count wise, what are we at? Is that what you're talking about? I don't even know what we're at sub count wise. Let's see. I know we went over 3.5 last night. Let's see here. We are at 3,520 subscribers right now. So if you're lurking in the background, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Wes. I'm a full-time futures trader. We are doing a 50K TakeProfitTrader account giveaway. I see people are just now strolling in. It's exclamation point Wes in the chat will give you a ticket into the random drawing that we will do towards the end of the stream in a couple hours. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for supporting the channel. Really happy that we get the opportunity to give back to you guys. Hey, thanks, happy kids. Yeah, we had a good stream last night. Lots of new subs last night. Lots of new subs last night. I think we had like a close to 50 subs joined last night, which is great. We haven't had a stream like that in a while. Yeah, I don't know who's buying up here, Knox. I mean, I can tell you this much. I'm not buying up here. I'm going to wait for a big, massive pullback. George, so it's not necessarily sized down if I'm on a small green day. So it's... I tighten my risk is what happens. So I guess you could size down if you want to extend your stop out a little bit more. But I usually just lower my stop. So instead of the 20 to 25 point stop that I normally run with, I will bring it down to 10 points. Does that make sense? So I'm never going to let a green day go red, no matter what. Am I actually not doing anything with NQ? Oh, George, yeah. I mean, I go to break even relatively quickly anyway. I might try a short here. Let's give it a shot. Just target these lows. Just below 600. I know if I get stopped out here, Design Knob's probably going to be like, you should have just gone long. All you had to do was buy. Guys, is the short stream not working? I don't understand what's going on here. Wow, instant buy up. Yeah, let's just take this L on the chin. I'm not sure who's buying here. Only goes up, never forget. Yeah, the problem is I sat there and said I didn't want to execute around this 25 level, and what did I do? Shorted when it got back underneath. We'll see if I can get out break even. Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. I mean, this is... What if the market maker is on the stream? I don't think the market maker is worried about me. At least I didn't short gold. Can I say hi, Roland? Hi, Roland. Hey, thanks for the sub, DB. Yeah, for those of you that are new here, like I said, we are doing an account giveaway tonight. Exclamation point West in the chat will give you a ticket into that drawing. It looks like the looks like our mobile stream is not working tonight. I don't know what's going on. Market maker wants a free account, Kelly. Oh, that came all the way back. I know, Jeff. Like, it's looking like 6660, 6670. That area on ES is being a pain. That 10 points. It's stuck in between two blocks right now. Oh, man. Now you got me worried. It's just not cracking below 620. The short stream's good now. Thanks, Mason. I appreciate you. I don't know what that was all about. All right, let's limit the damage here if this thing wants to come back. I'm going to go at 26.75 now. We'll just take the $100 loss on the chin if it comes back up. Looks like it's going to once again. What's up, Palm? How are ya? There we go. What's up, Lit? All right, we have people chatting in the short stream now. All right, we're good. Yeah, that was weird. Normally, Streamlabs takes care of all that for me. Yeah, come on, Naz. You can flush it out for us. You can do it. You can do it. You can flush it out. What's up, Chief Pepsi? How are ya? For those of you that are on the mobile format, the vertical stream, if you'd like to see the full screen, feel free to hop over to the other stream that we have going. It is the horizontal and full version, the full screen format. Exclamation point Wes in the chat will enter you into the drawing for the 50K Take Profit Trader account giveaway that we're going to do at the end of the stream. Oh, come on, Naz. Don't do this. Why is it every time I go live, you end up just chopping around? How we trading tonight, guys? By the way. Kind of excited for the weekend. I'm ready for a little bit of a break. All right. I'm not going to have this come back on me now. I'm going to go break even. I'd rather just see it flush out. No snapbacks. I'm going to have my take profit just below 600 down here. If we run these lows, I'll go ahead and lock in probably $100 on the trade. Getting wrecked today, Blaze Kenshin. What's up, Chuck? All right, come on, snap it. Let's go, Naz. Let's go. Man, sometimes I really dislike the Naz. The snapbacks. How were the snapbacks today on you guys? Because that's what was happening to me. I'd get like 20 points of profit, and then it would, or 30 points of profit sometimes, and it would immediately, the very next candle, completely retrace. It was happening to me today all day long, it felt like. I got 2 good trades in. I had 2 $1,000 trades, and then a lot of break-evens. Feels really, I mean, the Nas feels heavy right now. I'd like to see it go back and test those FOMC highs again down there at like 540 to 550. It's just a matter of how choppy is it going to be on the way down there. Yeah, Palmetto, I saw you traded actually pretty well today. Have you just been going tighter stops on your trading? Just been going to break even faster? But welcome, guys. Those of you that are just tuning in now, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for hanging out with me this evening. I appreciate you. Also, if you guys could smash that thumbs up button for me for the YouTube algorithm, whether you're on the shorts feed or the horizontal feed on YouTube. All right, can we get the snap down? Can we print another red candle here? Chief Pepsi, let me go see. Let me see if if it entered you or not, because I'm not sure how that works. I'll be honest with you. Let me see if I can find you here. Okay, so it does look. Okay, so it does look like you will have to be on the horizontal stream to enter the giveaway. So, oh no, there you are, Chief Pepsi. You're good. You're good. So I guess you can enter !West on either stream, and it will work just fine. All right, I'm going to trail candle to candle at this point. So we've locked in $100. Hey, thanks, Palmetto. Appreciate you. Oh, I'm sure it'll snap back on me, though, guys. For sure. Make sure I at least lock in $100 here. How are you guys trading this evening? Let me know if you're in a position or not. If you're copy trading me or not. Let me know. Wait, no way. We're YouTube featured, Palm? I didn't even notice that. The stream is YouTube featured at this point? Oh, that's nice. We're making moves, guys, on the channel. We are making moves on the channel. That's crazy. I didn't even notice that. You actually pointed that out. That's crazy. You guys are the reason this channel's having all the success. I really have nothing to do with it. I have the best community of people tuning. Like, you guys are amazing. I have the best trading community out there. I would put you guys up against any of the big boys. I would put you guys up against any of the big boys. No, it's Happy Kids. This has nothing to do with being humble, right? Like I think the big guys sometimes forget that it's the community that gets them to the place where they're at, right? Like YouTube pushes your content when you have lots of chat engagement, or you have lots of comments on your videos, lots of likes on your videos. So it's all dependent on your community and the engagement that you have with your community. And that's when they start pushing your content. All right, let's be smart about this. Let's go ahead and get out of that trade. We'll lock in $200. I'm not willing to risk another 20-point move up here. It could snap down, but I'm fine with a $200 trade there, especially after taking that drawdown initially too. Oh, cheers, Powell. Yeah, I'm glad those of you that have access to my pre-market trading plans are finding value there. That's how I've approached, the opening of the New York Open for a very long time. Those that were around when I was posting in good gains know that. They've seen my trading plans for years now. But it's something that I do every morning. An hour before market open, I'll develop a trading plan. I'll pick an area of interest that I want to be executing from, and then I'll develop a trade based on what happens around that level. I'll just simplify everything. But yeah, guys, like I said, I can't. Especially the one guy sleeping in the corner, smashing the like button. The guy is a legend. But no, like I can't thank you all enough. Like I said last night on stream, I never thought that our channel would see the success that it's having. Never in a million years. We really just wanted to do it as like an easy way, because people always wanted to see my live trading. It started as just that, you know, 20 people sitting in a channel, right? Like sitting here on YouTube, in hopes that one day other people would tune in, and it happened. So, like I said, I can't thank you all enough. Like you guys are changing my life, changing my life completely. And not that there's anything crazy happening. I mean, it's not like we have 100K subs or anything, but 3,500 subs is a lot to me. That's a lot of people. That's a lot of people. So thank you. Thank you. I can't thank you all enough. What's up, Ben? How are you? Sorry, I just got back over to the mobile stream here. Chat. Okay. Everybody looks like they're okay over there. All right. Just a lot of exclamation point Wes's. If you're just tuning in, like I said, we are doing an account giveaway tonight. Exclamation point Wes in the chat will enter you into that drawing. You must be subscribed to the channel. You must type exclamation point Wes in the chat. We will do the drawing at the end of the stream, probably sometime around 10 p.m. Eastern Standard, between 10 p.m. and 10:30 Eastern Standard. Welcome to the community if you're new here. Like I said, my name is Wes. I live stream a portion of my trading day starting at 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard, Sunday through Thursday. Feel free to come hang out. Join the community. We also do have a free trading Discord called Level Up. There's a link in the description down below the video. Feel free to join that as well. There's no sales, signal services, or mentorship programs here. Just nice, chill community where we can all learn together without having to spend thousands of dollars on courses. That's it. If you're interested about my strategy, I'm a support and resistance trader. I pick key areas on the higher time frames where prices rejected a lot before, where prices held as support before, and I like to execute at those areas. My trading's really simple. I don't execute a lot. I like to simplify everything. I'm not an ICT guy. I'm not a moving average crossover guy. Just simple market structure, and with a little bit of order flow mixed in. I do what works for me, in other words. We watch Wes win and lose money. Yeah, that's true, happy kids. Hey, Jeff. Appreciate you. You done for the night? Yeah, enjoy your night. Yeah, Savvy, you are one of the 20. You are one of the 20. Yeah, for the longest time, I swear, guys, for like 8-9 months, we were streaming in front of 20 people. All right. Well, that was a pretty good start to the night. Nice $200 trade to start. We're up 195 after commissions. I'll take 10 points on the NAS. What's gold doing right now? Yuck. Yuck. Gold is... Oh, gold is yuck. You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy for trading this. Yeah, gold is nasty. I want nothing to do with that. Really, honestly, NQ is not much better, right? Like, when you zoom out, it's not a whole lot better. Lit. So there's 2 live streams going on right now. There's a mobile format on the short that's going live on the shorts feed. And then there's another one that's the normal horizontal format. If you just go to my channel and click on the other live stream that's scheduled for today, the one that doesn't have mobile in the title, it'll take you to where everybody's hanging out at. And you'll get the full screen. There you go, Lit. There you go. Yeah, guys, so if you're just tuning into the live stream, welcome. Like I said, we are doing an account giveaway at the end of the stream. Exclamation point West in the chat will get you a ticket into that stream. Please consider subscribing to the channel. In fact, you will have to be subscribed to the channel in order to enter into that drawing. I hope you subscribe to the channel, and I hope you stick around. A lot of times what happens on these giveaways is you get the people that just want the giveaway, and then as soon as the giveaway is over with, 20 or 30 people just unsubscribe and leave because they're just here for the free stuff, which is fine, right? Like, I get it. I get it. But I wish more people would stick around. What's up, Rizzy? How are ya? How is everybody else trading tonight? Let me know in the chat. Yeah, Lit. I mean, it is what it is. That's part of it. We understand that, right? I just want to be able to give back to the community, so I'm still going to do the account giveaways regardless. Hey, thanks for the sub, Robert. Appreciate you. Thanks for the sub, Sam. Appreciate you. I want to be able to give back to the community. Like, this is one way that we can do it. Yeah, you're chilling, steady gains? Okay. Ms. Rain. Unfortunately, I won't be able to contact you because in order to claim the prize, you have to type something in the chat. And once, if 60 seconds goes by without that person claiming it, we redraw. Because it's completely random. It's like a it's a bot that does the giveaway. So it's this. Right now we got 99 entries in. And what happens is I'll come over here and I'll click that choose a winner button and it'll randomly pick one. And then you'll have to type in the chat in order to claim it. So you'll have to be here, unfortunately. But I tell you what, guys, I will do the giveaway right at 10 o'clock. Just so that everybody knows. I don't want anybody to feel like they're missing out or they've got something going on or kids to tuck into bed or anything like that. I want everybody to have an equal opportunity. So I will do it right at 10 o'clock. We'll set a deadline on it. Does that sound cool? Yeah, Roja, the indicator, Goose's indicator. Yeah, the Glizzy Clipper, this one. It works on pretty much anything. You just want to stay away from high volatility events and news events on it because it will give you nasty prints a lot of times. You really want to use it in conjunction with with something else, you know, with another level of confluence. Lit. So it depends on what you have. If you have a personal broker, like my personal broker is EdgeClear, they offer me a full free license on Quantower. Some of the props will force you to pay. I think TakeProfitTrader will give you one exchange level 2 data for free, I want to say. But the full license on Quantower, I think, is $70 for everything. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. Sorry, I had to turn the fan on. It gets hot under these lights. What's up, David? How are you? All right. Let's get off of the Jeez. I told you, this is what happens when I go live, guys. The market just decides, hey, we're going to go sideways. Tux, I don't have a whole lot of experience with the moving averages. The only moving averages that I use in my trading at all, and it's just for overall broad outlook, is on my daily chart. And I have the daily 20, the daily 50, the daily 100, and the daily 200. And it's just to give some context about where we are overall in the market. I've never been good with, I know a lot of people use the 21.9 and there's another EMA that they use on crossovers on the 1 minute. You know, I'm not real knowledgeable. The 14, yeah, there you go. The 9, the 14, the 21, is that what it is that most people use? And then some people use some variation of that. But I've never been able to find any kind of like sustained consistency using that kind of stuff. The only way that I was able to find any consistency myself, and other people might be successful with it, right? I'm not dogging anybody that uses those strategies at all. I had to simplify everything and remove all the indicators off my charts and just go to a simple, hey, support, you know, higher time frame support and resistance. Where's price rejected before? Where's price bounced before? Mark those areas on my charts, and that's kind of where I want to be executing from. You know relatively quickly whether you're right or wrong, and you can cut it pretty quick. So it's a way for me to manage my risk, in other words. Obviously, during globex, when we're not moving around a whole lot, I'll do a little more scalping, a little more price action kind of trading. You know, smaller targets, tighter stops. Prior to streaming during the globex session, I never traded overnight. I only traded the New York session. So this is all still relatively new to me. I've only been doing it for about 4 months, 3 months. But it's definitely a lot slower than New York session is. I will say that. Unless you get some news events, you get Trump talking late at night. Oh, Roha. No, they will send you an email. So TakeProfitTrader, unfortunately, they don't update their... I don't think they update their dashboard till like midnight Eastern. So you won't actually get your confirmation. Don't trade on that account. Don't trade anymore on that account. Just to give you a heads up. Don't trade anymore on the eval that you passed. You just discovered taking partials tonight, Nate? Yeah, that's the benefit of trading with micros in the beginning when you're building an account balance. I mean, I highly recommend, guys, if you're struggling to pass those evals or you're just starting out on a funded, scale way down. Start trading with like 3 micros instead of a full mini contract. It is a game changer. It is 100% a game changer. You can let your trade breathe a little more, keep the same risk, but you can target a little bit higher and actually take partials along the way. Roha, I do trade during New York. I trade during the New York session. I just don't stream during the New York session. YouTube, I said this last night actually. YouTube punishes your channel if you don't have good analytics. They don't push your content out. They don't. I know they say they give the small guys a chance, but they really don't. You're competing with the guys who have 100,000 subscribers. You know, and my channel's just not going to compete with those guys. I'm not going to steal views away from, you know, that those guys are part of people's everyday routines. So I'm just not going to, no matter how good of a trader I am, I'm never going to steal viewers away from Top Step TV or Patrick Wieland or Trades by Matt or, you know, the big guys or even Nutty Bar or, you know, any of those bigger channels. I'm just not going to steal those views. So if I wanted the YouTube channel to grow, I had to find a time slot within this niche that was relatively untapped. And ever since we started streaming during Globex, the channel's actually taken off. Savvy, maybe now that I'm YouTube featured, I might. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if there's like... Oh, Mystic Rick, you used to watch Top Step TV, now you don't anymore? What? PW kicked one of the girls from the 2-girl competition for being too liberal? I know one of the girls on there was one of the hosts of My Fun and Futures TV. I want to say Terry Trades or something like that. What's up, George? Kicked Rena off? That seems kind of crazy. I mean, it's his show. He can do whatever he wants, right? Like, it's his channel. Like 3 out of 10 winning record on Top Step TV, Kevin? Really? I don't really pay much attention to like the other streamers. I mean, I know who they are, but I don't really watch any other live streamers while I'm trading. It just creates too much noise for me. I mean, maybe you guys are better with that than I am, but it's too much noise. Too much doubt. He's toxic. Yeah, I hear that a lot about... I mean, it's more about entertainment on that side of things, right? But he's got a massive following. He's hustling. That's all there is to it. He'll play the bad guy card. You know, I don't know how he is in real life. I've never met him. He might be a great guy in real life, right? Like he could be, and he might just be doing it for the cameras. Who knows? Steady gains, just chilling. Wow, it is just back and forth right now. Design knob, go ahead and say it. Go ahead and say it. Go ahead and say it, design knob. I'm waiting for it. Wow, what a rip. What a rip off those lows. I'm glad I killed my trade. There it is. There's the guy. I mean, you kind of just broke the downward trend. The upper channel line of the downward trend. I just don't know if I really like longs here though. We're still below VWAP. Oh, nice, Kevin. You long 609. That's a great trade. Man, I'm going to have to start tuning into some of these other streamers just so I can see what you guys are talking about, because you guys all know what's going on. I have no idea what's going on in the streamer world. I stay in my own lane. I trade by myself during the day, tune everything out. I work on some YouTube stuff, back end stuff during the afternoons generally, or go work out or go do something else, do stuff around the house. But I never tune into these other streamers. The only guy that I used to tune into was Trades by Matt, and that was a while ago now. But I don't even, every now and again, you know, like once every couple of months, I'll tune in and say what's up. But yeah, Kelly, I haven't. I mean, I've seen shorts pop up in my YouTube shorts feed from him, but I've never really tuned into any of them. Like I said, Trades by Matt was the only one that I did, and this was when I was watching Matt. This was, I mean, I was still watching him a little bit from time to time when he made the move over to Apex. But when I started watching Matt, he had as many viewers in his stream as I do right now, you know, and now he's got what, like 240K subs? Gets like 4,000 people or something like that in his live streams. It's crazy. Yeah, Savvy, I'm right there with you. I don't really watch a whole lot of trading, like other traders. 6K plus? $6K plus daily? Oh, you mean total views? Is that what you're saying, Kelly? Like total views on his live stream? I'm saying like concurrent. Like right now, concurrent, we have 142 people in the horizontal stream. What's up, party? How are ya? You were making fun of Tori because she had like 15K viewers on live. 15K concurrent? She had 15,000 concurrent viewers on a live stream? That's a lot of people in a live stream. That's a lot of people in a live stream. Like we have like 133 in the horizontal stream right now. Other people are tuning in on the shorts feed, obviously. I don't know what the views look like right now. I can't see it while I'm live. But I can see how many people are on right now at any given point in time. We've got, I don't know, we had probably 20 people just leave. We're at 129 right now. But yeah, if those of you that are seeing the vertical format want to see the full screen and horizontal normal format, there is 2 live streams going on right now. Feel free to join the horizontal format. That's where most of the people are hanging out and chatting. So you can pop on over to the other stream. What's up, TWC? How are you? Those of you that are just tuning in, like I said, we are doing a TakeProfitTrader 50K account giveaway this evening. We'll do it in about an hour at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard. Exclamation point West will enter you into that drawing. It will be randomized. You will need to be here when we do the drawing to claim your prize. If you're not here after 60 seconds, what's up, Marks? How are you? If you're not here, we'll give it 60 seconds to let you respond in the chat. If you're not here, we will redraw the winner. We got to keep it fair for everybody. Oh, nice, steady gains. Nice. Man, it is just bad. I mean, 25 points up, 25 points back down. How does that sound for you? I mean, I really don't know how to trade the back and forth that well, guys. I mean, you guys seem to trade it a lot better than me. Party, yeah, there are some good deals. Let's see. Lucid, I believe, is under $100 for a 50K account right now with code WES. My funded futures right now has for new users who've never traded with my funded futures, they've got 50% off any plan currently with code WES. You've got I want to say 25% off for one-time use for returning users off of any plan as well. With my funded futures, TakeProfitTrader is 40% off, no activation fee right now with code WES. Trying to think about any other ones that we got going on out there. Bullinox has a 91% off. They got a really high activation fee. Oh, how dare you, Kyle. How dare you with putting save 91 in there. We do have a Bullinox code as well. The 91% off though, Kyle, actually is a different code. It's not code WES. It's some like generic code that they generated. They do it crazy over there. I'll find it. I'll post it in the Discord. I believe Top Step even right now has a 25% off their combines. I don't know what the code is for it though. I did get an email the other day. Harrison, yes. TakeProfitTrader, once you're past the buffer, once you're past the drawdown, it's every day you can take a payout. Every single day. They have daily payouts on TakeProfitTrader. In fact, the only thing that I'm not a fan of on TakeProfitTrader is the intraday trailing drawdown once you're live. Or once you're in the funded stage. All right, we're going to do, well, we still got about an hour till we're going to do the drawing. What's up, Dr. Zay? How are ya? Probably code slippage. No, I think it's like, I can't remember what the email said. I want to say it was like dash 25 or something like that. On Top Step. I'm not sure. Oh, congratulations, Dr. Zay. You passed your first eval? GG's in the chat for Dr. Zay. That's a big moment in your trading journey. For sure. Congratulations. Is that what it is, Pioneer? Nice. Oh, thanks for the gift to Kyle. I appreciate you. Harrison, it looks like you were gifted a membership to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you link your YouTube account to your Discord profile. Make sure you're a member of the Level Up Discord trading community, and you will have access to my pre-market trading plans on NQ each morning. Congratulations. Yeah, that's amazing. That's amazing, Dr. Zay. Congratulations. I know that had to feel great. No, Veej, I will not become rich trading gold. I know how that pony goes. I've seen people get wrecked on gold. Absolutely get wrecked. Is it really doing anything at all? I mean, it's definitely going up. I want nothing to do with this. I want nothing to do with gold. You gold traders are out of your mind. Cap price gold. Yeah, you guys are crazy. Oh yeah, cheers, Dr. Zay. No, you pat yourself on the back. You did the work. You're the one who got there. You deserve all the credit. I did nothing. I did nothing there. All right, we got about 150 people in here. If you're just tuning in, welcome. We are doing a 50K Take Profit Trader account giveaway tonight. We will do it at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard on the button. You will need to be present in order to claim the prize. Thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. If you're new here, my name is Wes. I'm a full-time futures trader. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the community. I live stream every night starting at 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard, Sunday through Thursday. Come hang out. All right. I mean, if nothing happens here, guys, I mean, I'm happy with $200 on the night. That's great. That's a great globex session for me. What's up, Tactic? What's up, D-Was-G? How are you? For those of you that are just tuning in over on the mobile format, the vertical format stream, we do have a horizontal normal stream going on as well. Just click on the other live stream on my channel, the one that doesn't say mobile in the title, and that's where most of the viewers are hanging out and communicating in the chat right now. We do have the 50K Take Profit Trader account giveaway that we're going to do here in about 50 minutes or so. Exclamation point West in the chat will enter you into that drawing. We currently have, how many people do we got in there right now? We've got 114 people entered currently. Only one entry per person tonight, so you don't have to spam the chat with exclamation point West. You guys remember when I was like, you have 20 entries and it was just exclamation point West all night long? There was no conversation happening. Steady gains. I shouldn't be anybody's hero. I should be nobody's hero. All right, we are picking up in views right now. We got about 160 people in here currently. I saved a baby. Welcome, guys. Seeing lots of new names in the chat, so that's good. Lots of new people finding the channel tonight. Hopefully you're not just here for the giveaway. If you are, that's cool too. I completely understand. Normally when we do these giveaways, like I said, we have a mass exodus right after the giveaway is over with of subscribers, which is anticipated, and that's fine. What's up, Top Dog? How are you? Marks, yeah, I was short from above 620 earlier. Just above 620. I got out. Is that right, guys? Yeah, just above 620. I trailed out at like 611. George, we're going to do the giveaway at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard on the button. So make sure that you are here. For those of you that are new, we are going to do that drawing at that time. We'll give you 60 seconds if your name is selected. If you don't claim the prize within 60 seconds, we will re-roll for another winner. Oh, nice, Niamo. Welcome. Welcome. Yeah, all traders welcome here. Yeah, I'm no guru or anything. We got a nice trading community. Everybody is really chill here. Really respectful people. Like I said, my community is amazing. I'd put them up against any other streamers. But we're not selling you any courses or mentorships or signal services or anything like that. We're just here to hang out, have a good time, learn from each other, and yeah, that's about it. You'll claim it within 10 sovereignty. Okay. Demonte, yeah, I mean, $200 on the globex session. I mean, you need to keep in mind, right? Like, I made 2.5K today during New York session. So I'm in no hurry to give anything back, especially when you're getting the I mean, I'm going to call this chop all the same. Right? Like, we're in chop. Big country, how much is a good starting point for a small account? It depends on what you're trading, big country. Like, if you're trading futures, and especially index futures, I would say no less than $5,000 if you're asking me to be safe, and I would only be trading micro contracts with that kind of account balance. I wouldn't be messing around with minis at all. Dope Book Futures, cheers. Enjoy the rest of your night. Team Massive, 2.5K. Wow, congrats. 2.5K. Oh, today, yeah. Yeah, it was really all on 2 trades. I had 2 50-point trades. But 50 points came fast during the morning. The music's making you want to... The music's making you want to jam out, Erica. D was G. I'm sitting on my hands right now, is what I'm doing. It's a lot of chop. I don't really want to give anything back that I've made just yet. It's going to need to be clear for me. I think if we crack below 590, it could be some downside into 550. What's up, Big Poppy? How are ya? Grumpy Grandpa, that isn't Big Country from UFC. I mean, I would assume if there was a UFC fighter in here, he would have probably a verified YouTube account, but could be. I don't know that I've ever had anybody that was. Oh no, I do have somebody that had over 100K subs. My friend Pegs. He's like he's a truck driver. He's got a truck driving channel. He's got over 100,000 subs. I think he's verified. He's in the Discord too. been kind of quiet lately, though. Haven't seen him. I've seen him sparingly in the Discord. All right, viewers are actually picking up pretty good here. If you're just tuning in, exclamation point Wes in the chat will give you a ticket to a 50K Take Profit Trader account giveaway. We will do the giveaway in about 45 minutes, right at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard. So make sure you are here. You will need to be here to claim the prize. Otherwise, we will redraw and give it to somebody else. Oh, Kelly, you're over there trading gold still? Man, you gold traders are wild. You guys are crazy. It's so volatile. All right, we are looking like we're going to come down and test that 590 area that I was talking about. Michael Gold is about to pump. Chill. Wait, what's going on here? Yeah, you gold traders are crazy. This just looks like chop to me. I mean, it's wide chop, but it does look like chop. At least it kind of trends for a period of time. I will say that. All right, like this is 15 minutes of downside. You had about what, a half hour of upside. But it's that, I mean, that's like a slow 10-point crawl. No, D was G. I don't trade gold. I just have a lot of people trading gold. If you guys are on the mobile format, by the way, we do have 2 live streams going on. Most people are chatting over on the horizontal stream. If you want to pop over to the other stream on my channel and check that out, feel free. You'll get a full screen view as well. Design not true. I mean, it's true. It's true, but not, I mean, $100 a point on gold. $100 a point. $10 a tick. Oh no, what's going on? D was G. I do futures trading. I'm an index futures trader, mostly Nasdaq. So we're on NQ right here. But I'll have a look at everything. I'll have a look at anything that people want me to take a look at and give my thoughts on. The Nikkei is $25 a tick. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I want nothing to do with that. I want nothing to do with that. I would like to learn, just so I can keep up with all you gold traders. I would like to watch gold for, you know, a couple weeks rather than just peeking at it from time to time. But I'm going to have to do that on my own time. Obviously, I don't want to do that live on stream, but I'm going to have to take a look at it. D was G, what do I think about Aster? I don't even know what Aster is. What is Aster? Sorry, D was G. I'd love to give my thoughts. I have no idea what Aster is, though. Chat, anybody know what Aster is? A-S-T-E-R? The new coin that just recently... Oh, so it's a new crypto? I mean, is it just another meme coin? Yeah, I don't know. I've never even heard of it, D was G. I'm not really a crypto guy, though. I will be 100% honest with you. I am no crypto guy. Wish I would have bought Bitcoin in like the early 2010s. I'll say that now. Shoot, even Ethereum. All right, we are moving. We are testing 600 psych level. Let's see if we can snap down to 590. Michael, you really, really want to... It's never too late for Bitcoin, Dr. Zay. Oh, I mean, there are limits to it. I just have this... I have this sneaky feeling one day you're going to have some big players all get together and completely unload everything they got. I just have this sneaky feeling. I hope not. That would ruin a lot of people's lives, but I have this feeling that it's going to happen. Bitcoin to zero. Yeah, I can tell you anything. Anything over 50K on Bitcoin, I'm not putting my money in. Aster was founded by Changpeng Zhao, Binance CEO. Made around 50K from Doge back during the pump thumper. Michael, all right, we can gather as a group and figure out what to do in this market. I'm thinking of opening a straddle on SPY soon. Options are that's another beast as well. I think futures are just so much easier than options. I remember when I started, the Binance CEO was charged with fraud. Seems legit. Wait, what, Martin? Really? And then he starts a crypto? Yeah, I think so too, Michael. Futures just seem so much easier. Easier than trading options. All right, you can make a lot of money on options for sure, but you can make a lot of money in futures too. Oh, D was G. He just came out of jail? He just got out of jail and started a crypto coin? Yeah, Kelly, but you can also do that in futures, really. If you think about it. And there's no PDT rule on futures either. So you don't even need a 25K account in order to do so. Too much circulating supply with Aster. Stick with Bitcoin. Okay. Yeah, I'm not a crypto guy. I know nothing about it, really. Yeah, Steve. I mean, the overnight sessions have been slow. Regular trading hours, the last 2 days, well, not today, but the prior 2 days, were kind of just in a range all morning long, and then around lunchtime, New York session, there was a big sell-off, right, for the afternoon. And today it was just kind of volatile all the way around. Almost the entire day. All right, how many people we got in here right now? We got about 150 people in here. Those of you that are just tuning in, exclamation point West in the chat will enter you into the drawing for a 50K TakeProfitTrader account giveaway that we are doing this evening in about 35 minutes, right at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard. Make sure that you hit exclamation point chat or exclamation point West. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Smash that thumbs up button for me if you could, guys. D was G. We're trading ticker symbol NQZ. We're trading the Nasdaq futures. But yeah, so those of you that are on mobile format, if you want to see the full screen, pop on over to the horizontal stream. It's the one without mobile in the title on my channel, and that's where most people are chatting away and hanging out. We got two streams going right now. One on vertical format, the other on the normal horizontal. 1920 by 1080. Michael West, how do I get rich? Like rich? I don't know, chat. Chat, you got any suggestions for Michael on how to get rich? Like more than rich? Buy low, sell high. Crime. Crime, he says. Oh, man. Z contract longs have been thoroughly swept out of the market. Tonight's globex pattern looks like market makers is accumulating longs. So Indian Bird, you're saying that we're going back up? Is what you're saying? Or are you saying we're going to get a sell-off tomorrow? Like they're just collecting orders. Buy Nvidia 2 years ago? Oh, that's true, Martin. That's true as well. Those Nvidia buyers pre-split, pre-stock split as well. Where, I mean, Michael, you started a coin? Oh, no. Yeah, extraordinary cave trader. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of people that normally hang out in the mobile. Like the mobile format is more or less for those people who prefer the full phone view. And to the shorts feed actually leaves impressions across other people. So more people, the shorts feed gets more views, overall views, but more people hang out in the horizontal format. So it's a way to expand the reach. Thumper. Let's see. Get rich. Let's see. Gold, man. And I mean, don't trade it. Get a metal detector and start digging it out of the ground. Interview Trump and become a journalist. Oh, man. I mean, I want to be rich. Don't you guys want to be rich? I want to be rich. Make life a whole lot easier. All right, we got about 30 minutes till the drawing, guys. 30 minutes till the drawing. Let's see if the Nas can come down here into 590. Sweep these little lows here. You got all these downside wicks on the 5 minutes sitting there. If it comes down to towards 570, comes back up and holds below, you know, 590 to 600, I'm not opposed to a short back into those FOMC highs down here at about, let's see, where were they exactly? So they are right here at 550, looks like. Yeah, 550. Is that right? Yep, 550. So FOMC highs are right there at 550. Tonight's price pattern is obviously a positional game by whales. Indian burn. I mean, it's definitely a lot of back and forth. I mean, we finally have a little bit of downside. Oh, you gold traders. Crazy. Happy kids. Red folders. Oh, let me look at financial juice. I'm not sure. Friday's normally like Michigan Sentiment Day. Do we have Michigan Sentiment? I remember it being a fairly light news week. Looks like you got PCE price index, you got consumer spending, and then you've got Michigan sentiment. 30 minutes after the opening bell. So yeah, you've got a few news items tomorrow morning. But fairly light news week. Not a whole lot this week. This is the last full week of September. Wow, that's crazy to think. Man, guys, time is flying by. I swear it was just started September like not too many days ago. Time is just... flying by. It's gonna be Christmas time before you know it. You can't use our D was G. If you're in the UK, you should be able to use our platforms. I mean, if you have a personal broker, you should be able to trade. You should be able to trade the same thing. You can definitely get a prop account in the US for sure. I know Martin. He lives in the UK. Sign up. Look at this shameless move. Oh no, what are we doing? I started looking over here at gold. Oh, yep, there it is. The pump. Oh, that's right. There's an NFL game on tonight, isn't there? I forgot about that. Who's playing tonight, guys? Who's watching the football game? Hawks and Cards. So Seahawks against the Cardinals? Okay. That's, you know, Michael, for sure. You guys just like that quick money. So Seattle and Arizona are playing right now. Who's winning right now? Yeah, I know, Martin. You live in Ireland. I got it. I got it, Martin. You live in Ireland. 14-3 Seahawks. Yes, I know, Martin. I know, Martin. You live in Dublin. I got you. I got you. But no, Martin, is it... Because somebody was asking, who was it? D was G was asking if he can trade in KuCoin because you're from the UK and you can't use our platforms. So what would be a similar platform? What would be a broker over there that he could trade futures on? I'm not sure what the brokers look like over there. Charles, no, we'll do the account giveaway in about 25 minutes. 25 minutes. FTMO? Oh, so that's the futures? Okay, so FTMO is the future. Oh, gotcha. My view on gold seems dramatically influenced. Do I need some counseling? No, actually, I've only taken... I don't think I've taken a loss on gold on any trade that I've placed on it. To tell you the truth. I've only taken like 4 trades ever on gold. But I don't think I've had any... IG, you think has futures in UK, Bert? Okay. No restrictions? Alright, so let's see here. D was G. Apparently you can trade all the same symbols that we're trading. Traded gold on Forex and the spreads were horrible. Yeah, Tux, generally it's before. I wake up at about 6 a.m. every morning, like clockwork, without an alarm. It's really annoying. And then I'll go work out. I'll come back. I'll do my pre-market prep for about an hour. And then get ready to trade at 9:30 a.m. Did I already dunk on the market, Dankies? No, I took a little base hit. I got 10 points. I got 10 points. There's been a lot of back and forth. You'll end up on CFD markets otherwise? Look at this guy. Look at, I mean, what is the market doing? We're getting expanding moves, though. I will say that. The moves are becoming a little more expanded. My buddy Dave likes to call it a megaphone pattern. You know, where you have the megaphone. Where it's the channel expands. You call it the shameless pattern design hub? Yeah, the book map doesn't look great, does it? Oh, Charles Jolly, exclamation point Wes in the chat will enter you into the drawing for that 50K TakeProfitTrader account giveaway. You have to be subscribed to the channel to all those people who are new here and lurking in the background in order to enter. Wait, Sam Carp. Wait, what? Albert Einstein married his cousin? Are you serious? No, really? That can't be true. It's true? Really? I never knew that. You guys are teaching me something. I'm getting an education in Albert Einstein tonight. That's crazy. Wait, Sam Carp, really? That's the theory? Wow, you're going deep tonight, brother. Going deep. Michael, I trade with 4 different props. I trade with Top Step, I trade with My Funded Futures, I trade with TakeProfitTrader, and I trade with Lucid. Those are the 4 that I trade with currently. Wait, isn't first cousin marriage illegal? Isn't it? It's gotta be. It's gotta be. That's wild. Now you guys got me thinking. Like, wait a second. It's gotta be illegal. Or is it state by state? Is that state laws over here in the US? That's gotta be illegal. Come on. Yeah, Michael, Bullinox is cheap on the evaluation. They're set up, their payment structure is set up like the way you get an account is kind of set up almost like Apex, where you pay a really small evaluation fee, but then if you pass, you pay a big activation fee. 3.6 tonight, Bean Trader. Let's see, what are we at? We are at, I don't think we're gonna get to 3.6. Honestly, not a lot of new subs tonight. We've had a few. We've had about 30 new subs tonight, but we're one shy of 3,550. That's where we're at. That's where we sit sub count wise right now. So if you're lurking in the background and want to support the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. Like I said, if you're new here, my name is Wes. I'm a full-time futures trader. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the community. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that thumbs up button for me if you could. We're going to do that giveaway, that account giveaway here in about, 17 minutes or so. 17 minutes. So type !Wes in the chat if you haven't yet for your entry into that giveaway. We will do the drawing in about 16.5 minutes. It's legal if you're a Lannister. Wait, what? Oh, marrying a cousin, yeah. Wait till all MFFU viewers leave after the giveaway? Bean? Oh, you mean the people that are watching My Fun of Futures TV right now? Is that what you're talking about? Bean, they're giving away 120 accounts on their channel. Man, wish they'd give me some accounts to give away. I've never asked them for any accounts to give away. Usually, how it works with the props and their affiliates is it's all based on like a sales structure. So you have to sell. People have to use your code so many times or generate in a certain amount of sales. And then at a certain amount is when they give you the giveaways. That's kind of how it works. Can I scale in and scale out to all the props that I use? Yeah, so all the props that I use with the My Fun of Futures, you can scale. The smaller accounts are a little bit more difficult though, because it's 1 to 5 micro scaling in the funded on My Funded Futures on the core accounts. So it's a little bit different. And obviously, as your account balance grows, they'll give you more. But yeah, I think My Fun of Futures core accounts, the 50Ks, the cheapest ones, I think you're only allowed 5 micros. Yeah, Michael. I think honestly with The 25Ks on TakeProfitTrader with the code West right now, I think, are $90 or something like that all in. Evaluation is 5 days, but day one payouts if you can earn enough the first day on your funded account, which is a great feature. The payout process is a little confusing to you, Dr. Zay? Mediocre COD player. What's my bias on NQ right now? There is none. I would like to see a little bit more downside if you're asking me. I like a retest of FOMC highs here at 550. But it's looking pretty bear flag, V bottom. You got two, what do they call that? The W pattern? Normally it would be new highs. And I know I know Design Knob would love this, because he could just say shameless all the way up. Or you have, what do you have? Like a little cup and handle here would have been it. But really, we're just chopping sideways. Current channel is down. Yeah, mediocre COD player. That's kind of what I would like to see, is retest those FOMC highs. If 550 holds, if it holds really anywhere above 550, I would probably look for the move back up into 780, 790, somewhere in here. If it dips below those FOMC highs, you're probably looking at a pretty good size sell-off. Back down into the daily 20 down here at 24,200. Possibly even lower. Possibly even this upside, this high peak wick up here at 24,080-ish. So that's the area that I would be watching overnight tonight. I obviously won't be trading all night long. I'm going to try to get some sleep at some point tonight. But if you guys are trading the overnight session, that's what I would be looking for through London. Would be a test of this area. See if it holds its support for the move back up. Yeah, Harrison, I feel like I've been asking for a sell-off for a long time. This isn't a big enough sell-off, right? It completely retraced. I ideally would like to see back below 24K. I mean, we are overextended. I know, Michael. Yeah, the people who only have the ability to trade during the Asia session is... I feel bad for him as well. What's up, Worldwide? How are you? Worldwide, I know you're just tuning in, and everybody else that's tuning in here, the views are starting to really get up there. We are doing a 50K Take Profit Trader account giveaway here in about 10 minutes, actually. Right at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard. Exclamation point Wes in the chat will enter you into the drawing for that giveaway. You will need to be here when we do the giveaway, though. It feels like you exited war after the New York session. Yeah, Michael, it was it was a nice session. I caught the short on Nas, you said yesterday. Yeah, this morning I had the short. I had another short this afternoon, too. All my money was made on the downside today. Oh, that's right. I did screenshot. Yeah, so you guys, those that are members of the Discord, you guys did see my trades today. You saw both of my big trades. Blue Phoenix. No, I haven't looked at Aqua Futures yet. My friend Red Candles, who also streams on YouTube, feel free to give him a look and a subscribe. He's probably live right now, actually. He normally goes live at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. I know he trades Aqua Futures, but I haven't given them a look at all yet. Oh, Michael, I don't copy trade any of my accounts. I trade them all individually, which people get on me for. They think I would do really well. You'll turn me into a bear eventually, Martin says. Yeah, Martin, I mean, you've seen my trading for years now. So you know I'm definitely a better long side trader. But I've made a conscious effort this year to work on my shorting. I just got so sick of watching everybody catch those 400-point nasty downside days, you know? I got so sick of it. I mean, I'm just watching it happen because I just can't short. I'm a much better long side trader. So I've made a conscious effort to try and find the setups. So I've been definitely taking more short side trades than I have long over the last few months. No, Omnius, I haven't taught. Somebody mentioned day traders prop firm last week, I think. I haven't looked at them either. The market goes up. I mean, look, the odds are definitely in your favor. Even if you're going to just take one side, being on the long side, I mean, the market goes up roughly 80% of the time. So the odds are definitely in your favor on the long side. But man, the money to the downside is so fast and very good when you can catch it. So I need to be able to catch it. All right, guys. Give me a second. I'll be back in a minute. We got about 7 minutes till we're going to do that giveaway. So if you're new here and just tuning in, we are doing a Take Profit Trader 50K account giveaway in about 6 minutes, right at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard. Exclamation point Wes in the chat will enter you into that drawing. You will need to subscribe to the channel in order to enter. Hit that thumbs up button for me if you could. We're coming up on the drawing. Wow. Guys, we were at 3,550. Had 4 people unsub. 4 people unsubscribed since I last looked. All right, I'll be right back. Oh, Grumpy, there's only 24 people hit the like button? Let's check. Guys, if you're just tuning in, we're doing a 50K account giveaway with Take Profit Trader in about 5 minutes. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Type exclamation point West in the chat to enter into that drawing. We will do it at 10 o'clock on the button. $131? Okay, that makes more sense. I can't see it. Yeah, I know, Michael. All right, Wes is gone. Should we all move the market? All right, there you go, extraordinary Cape Trader. You're on the right spot now. You're in a long on the likes at 83, looking for 110, Michael. Yeah, I mean, we've got about 100. Let's see how many people are entered right now. We've got 134 people entered. So those of you that are viewing that haven't entered, exclamation point Wes in the chat will enter you into the drawing for that account giveaway that we're going to do here in a few minutes. If you guys are hanging out in the mobile format, we do have a horizontal live stream going as well with a lot more people in it than are currently in the shorts feed. If you want to pop on over and select the other live stream that doesn't have mobile in the title of the live stream, feel free to pop on over and hang out with us. All right, guys, those of you that are lurking, definitely hit that subscribe button. Exclamation point Wes in the chat. I would be looking for an immediate bounce here. Actually, mediocre COD player. I'd be looking for price to actually hold above 550 and then move back up. And probably where my long would be probably somewhere around 570, playing back up to like POC right there at like 615-ish. That would be my trade. But it's just it's not flushing like I would like to see it flush. I realize there's all these downside wicks sitting here in the mid 90s, but I'd like to see it flush pretty hard. I do think the immediate move is probably down. I'd like to see the ES back into 66.52, 66.53, somewhere in there for the bounce. All right, guys, we got about a minute left until we're going to do that drawing. So if you're lurking in the background and want to get entered into the drawing for the 50K Take Profit Trader account, subscribe to the channel. Smash that thumbs up button for me if you could. And exclamation point Wes in the chat will enter you into the drawing. We will be doing it in about, I don't know, 30 seconds or so. So hurry up and get your entries in. We got about 146 entries right now. Let me make sure it's visible on both the short stream and the horizontal. Okay, we're good. All right, we got 147, 148. I will do the drawing in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tyler, type something in the chat. You are the winner of a 50K Take Profit Trader account giveaway. You've got 60 seconds to type something in the chat. If you don't type something in the chat, we will redraw a winner. There he is. All right, Tyler. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yes, you, Tyler. You have won the 50K Take Profit Trader account giveaway. Next question, Tyler, is are you on Discord? GG's in the chat for Tyler, by the way. Congratulations. You are on Discord, Tyler? All right. What I want you to do is we have... Will you send me a friend request on Discord, actually? That's going to probably be the best way to do this. And then I will get you linked up with my editor, Mason, who has the account. He's going to need some information from you to send to TakeProfitTrader, and then they will credit an account for you with that account, is the way TakeProfitTrader does it. I go by the same name on Discord, WesleyEmeraldGate on Discord. Wow, congratulations, Tyler. Congratulations. You can now go to the secret giveaway soon, Discord. Yeah. Guys, we will do another giveaway next week. We do have one more giveaway to do. It will be a members only. Yeah, cheers, Tyler. Congratulations. For those of you that don't know, Tyler's over in the vertical stream. Tyler, if you'd like to, there's another stream that we have going right now. It's in horizontal format where it's the full screen. You're more than welcome to pop over to that stream. That's where most people are hanging out. That stream's got over 170 people in there right now. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and congratulations on the account, on the win. It's nice. That's basically I mean, what's the cost of a 50K with Take Profit right now? What's up, Tommy? How are you? That's $100? Over $100? I can't remember. But yeah, the next account giveaway that I'm going to do is going to be a members only giveaway. So you will need to be a member of the channel in order to be eligible for that giveaway. Oh, the mobile version? Yeah, Tommy. Yeah, Tommy, that's a new setup. We started that last Sunday. Less than 170 now, Martin? Oh yeah, I forgot to pull up the subscribers for after the giveaway. Went back up a little bit. We're at 3,549 subs right now. So there hasn't been a mass exodus yet. Yeah, it always happens though. It'll happen probably either tomorrow morning or the next time I post a video. Because what happens is people subscribe for those giveaways, and then they get a notification or something like that. Like, when did I subscribe to this dude? Oh yeah, I subscribed because of a giveaway. And then they unsubscribe. L viewers, Andrew. Yeah, I mean, it's normally what happens. That's expected, right? I don't blame anybody. You know, you're trying to get free stuff, especially when it's, you know, a prop account. For sure. I mean, those are high value items. At least in my opinion, they are. If you can get a free prop firm account and can possibly turn it into money, turn it into good earnings, I mean, that's great. All right, Nightbot, we already gave away the 50K. We already gave away the account, Nightbot. I know, Grumpy Grandpa. I know. But yeah, guys, if you guys are signing up for new accounts, we do have codes with, it's code Wes on all of them, but we have codes with My Fun and Futures, TakeProfitTrader, Lucid. I can't even remember all the companies that we have codes with. Trade Day. Bullinox. I can't remember. I can't even remember all the props that we have codes with at this point. But I never wanted my stream to like I said it last night on stream. You guys ever tune into these live streams and it's just one giant billboard and then there's like one little portion of the stream where you see a chart? It just looks like one big advertisement everywhere. I never wanted my stream to look like that. Because that's not, I don't want to be one of these massive affiliate pushers, right? Like if you want to support my channel and you're ready to purchase an account, use my code for the discount. But I never wanted my channel to be about that. It does help the channel though. When you use those codes, it does help the channel out immensely. Oh yeah, Martin, Earn to Trade as well. I don't even know anybody that trades with Earn to Trade. They've been around a long time, but I don't know anybody that trades with them. We tried to get a Tradeify affiliate as well, but they never got back to us. Reminds you of one of those 1970 used car lots. Oh, happy kids, you gotta go buy an account. I'm sorry, brother. I'm sorry. There will be more accounts. All the free accounts that I end up getting, we will give to you guys. I'm not going to use any of them. So, I'm going to give them all back to subscribers and members of the channel. All right, can the Nas just come down to that area for me so that we can maybe get another trade in? If it just chops here for a little bit, guys, I'm not gonna hang out till midnight or London session in order to get a move. What's up, best DJ? How are ya? You can't find me, Tyler? It's Level Up Discord. There's either a link in the description of this video, or you can type !Discord in the chat, and there should be a link that pops up. It's called Level Up. Oh, be best from 48,300 to 50 in 2 days. Oh, nice trading. Yeah, that's great. When you salvage an account like that, $300 from going bust, and then all of a sudden you're almost to payout. That's great. Congratulations. I know that's a good feeling. I've been there. I have been there, my friend. I think we all have. All right, let's see here. Yeah, Drac, the overnight sessions haven't... Thanks. The overnight sessions haven't provided much action. All right. Let's see here. Tyler, is that you that just messaged me? I think it is. Yes, it is. All right. All right, give me a second here. And I will, all right. Sorry, guys. I'm getting Tyler all set up here. All right. Later, Kyle. Enjoy your night. Touch up trader. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm going to catch another trade. Chris, congrats on 3.5K. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, like I said, the channel growth has been amazing, guys. I can't thank you enough for all the love and support that you guys have shown me. It really is overwhelming, and I'm definitely humbled by it, for sure. So like I said, I can't thank you all enough. And anything I can do to give back to you guys, I will. I know, Tux. I know, Tux. It's a sleepy market. It's a sleepy market. Is gold even moving around, or is it sleeping too? Oh no, gold's sleeping too. All right, well, I'm probably going to call it there now. Tyler, congratulations again if you're still in the stream on that 50K account giveaway. The rest of you, enjoy your weekends. I won't be live again until Sunday night at 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard. Trade safe tomorrow. I have a feeling we could see some pretty good volatility as well tomorrow. The VIX was up there today. It didn't seem to be coming down. Yes, that's right, Track. It's the end of stream movement that we're about to get here. So get prepared. The market's probably about to do something crazy when I end the stream. Thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. Thank you for all your love and support. Thank you for being an amazing community. I just can't. There are no words to describe my gratitude. So enjoy your weekend, and I will see you all Sunday night. Peace.